Well, guys, working back on the 57. I got these studs welded on there. What happened last time, the thing come loose, that little nipple come loose, and actually dropped and rolled into the car, and I had to go retrieve it. But anyhow, got it working. Seems to be working good now. Let's see how much of this dent I can get pulled out here. I'll bring it back when I got that done. Hopefully you can see right here. I got this on the stud. This one has that little disc in there. My buddy said the biggest thing that he didn't like about it was that disc would sometimes not grab. So, because it's got the teeth. Some of them have a collet. This one doesn't. So, well, it's taken it out. This thing was way deep in there. So it's pulling it out slowly but surely. I'm going to keep at it. Well, I got a little overzealous with that one. She pulled a hole through, but it is taking that dent way out from where it was. I mean, this thing was in there half an inch, and so that's an awful lot of Bondo. So I'm going to keep going. Put another row of pins on and getting ready to pull some more. See what we can do. Well, I'm pretty sure this is going to work out good for me. Help pull this big dent out of it. So I have some more down here on this door, right in here where she buckled in on me. So I'm just going to keep using it. And then I got the firewall that was up front that was banged in on another before I ever got the car. So, but all around, I think this is going to work. I'm going to be happy with the results. And just thanking my buddy James for letting me use this thing. So this is pretty cool. So, but at least I got it sorted. I didn't let it whip me. Sometimes you just got to be persistent. You know, persistence and consistency is the main thing in life, I guess. So every morning you wake up and just keep on going. Keep on going. So have a good one, guys, and hope you enjoyed this video. Also, if you found this video that you liked it, you know, hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and just keep going on. But anyhow, hopefully we can get this thing body worked and done here in the new year. Take it easy.